Good morning everyone. I just thought I'd get out here and do a walk around video of the TD5. So this is getting drawn on Monday evening along with the Land Rover Defender 90 station wagon, which is a 15 plate, and that one is with an Ife Williams HBX 511 horse trailer. So two massive prizes for Monday coming. Where should we start on this one? It's one of the last TD5s to be built, should we say. It's a 56 plate. They finished in early 2007. It's very low mileage for its age. It's only covered 53,000 miles. So literally there won't be too many out there on that mileage. If they are, they're generally between 30 and 40 grand. So a real sort of collector's piece now. The TD5 obviously is a 2.5 diesel BMW engine. So it sounds incredible. Obviously we took this one to Empire Tuning, and Gareth there, he just done his bits. So it's had all bits and pieces, stage 3 remap, new intercooler, new turbo, new straight through exhaust, but it's all obviously meets requirements and it sounds amazing. We've tried to keep it very original to its sort of age. So this one come with the 16-inch boost alloy wheels. The seats we have been retrimmed in leather from Lacari Solutions down in Kent, so it's the original TD5 seats but in leather, brand new leather. So it's all, the grille is a TD5 style grille. So everything you see really is very original. It hasn't had any sort of modern parts put on it, should we say, apart from the KBX side vents. We've sprayed the roof and the bonnet and the arches in Santorini black, so it's a gloss black, and so have the alloy wheels. The tyres are brand new General Grabbers, all trains. Gloss black wing mirrors. The back windows have been tinted. Obviously you've got your black checker plating on there. So it's very, very smart. It's very cool. We love it. We love the TD5s. We've done a few. So this has been our project one. We just wanted to just do ourselves to put our touch on it. Of course there'll be another plate. I've just we also sprayed the bumper as well. So just to make sure it was absolutely mint. So yet to put a number plate on it. So it's obviously the original grey, as you can see, that is the original paintwork. So it's absolutely in superb condition. We didn't take obviously it's only done 53,000 miles and they weren't work miles. So it's the Land Rover called it the Sonaway Grey. So we've also put a NARS rear step on it. And there's electrics as well, so you can obviously put a tow bar in there if you wish. See the privacy there. And it was a good spec TD5 as well. I'll just open up and you can see. So did come with all the heated front and rear windscreen, and obviously heated seats, electric windows. And of course, obviously all the seating elements have been, heating elements have been put in here. So as you can see, these seats are absolutely brand spanking new, straight from Lacari. Centre cubby box. New rubber mats, which are actually TD5 design. Central locking. As you can see, we've also put obviously a Momo steering wheel in. I don't know if I can get the camera around. Bear with me. I'm nowhere near the camera, but hopefully you can see the mileage there. But it's an absolute stunner, and it's still on the sale price, guys, of £11.99. We'll be, like I say, we'll be drawing this on Monday regardless, but it's at 30% sold at the moment. But there, you get your tickets now, and they're just £11.99. It's also got xenon headlights, which are fantastic. Not like the old candle power, that they come with originally. Also LED side lights as well. As you can see there, the bonnet is all just looks gleaming. So definitely be sad to see this one go. I will do a video around the other Defender as well that's going on Monday night also. Like I said, that's going with the Ife Williams horse trailer, or 9 grand in cash. So you can take the Defender and 9 grand, or the Defender and the horse trailer. So it gives that option to the equestrian world, or obviously if you're not into horses, you can just have a 15 plate Defender with 9 grand. So let me just start her up. And this thing is seriously quick as well. I think it's over, I'm not sure exactly, but it's way over 200 brake. So it'll be in the region of 200 to 220 brake. But it just sounds immense as well. Mike Cowdrey, Defender and cash for me. Let me see if I can put my foot in the door and give it a good rev. Awesome. So there we have it, guys. There is the TD5. I'll put some more videos of it sort of driving and stuff if I can get someone to give us a hand. It's just, yeah, it's just a very, very cool vehicle. Everyone comes to us, loves it. So this one could be yours for $11.99. It's really hard to gauge what value this would be now. So it's well over in the 30s, no doubt about it, for what it is. So as you can see there, the Empire tuning in on the radiator there. So Cowbell, gutted about the Ranger. Do any more like that pickup wise? Yes, we generally always have a pickup on. So yeah, there'll be some more pickups coming through, Kyle. So don't worry about that. But that Raptor, I must admit, was a beauty. It's I think the winner last night was Tom Corrick from Hereford. So congratulations, Tom. Sounded a lovely guy. When I phoned him, he was checking his sheep. So just couldn't believe it. So we're going to get that to Tom hopefully the end of the week, if not the beginning of next. So I think, Mike, these are very good towing vehicles. They are. They're really good towing vehicles, actually, the TD5s. The engine's just superb. I think that's why everyone sort of loved them. But there it is, guys. So I'm going to turn her off and put her back in the barn. Actually, one thing I haven't done before I go. Rostackers need a double cab this age and spec soon. Definitely, we're going to try and find a 110 TD5. That would be really cool. We have got we've got 2 110s coming up, guys. We haven't done any 110s for sort of a couple of months. So we've got a new shape 110, which I can show you is over there. I'm just prepping out to get ready. That's going to be a very, very, very cool prize. So that'll be on very soon. And we've also got a 12 plate 110 pickup with loads of bits and pieces on it. So stay tuned for them. But as you can see, look, we've put there was an old style mat in here, just on the sort of floor. So we put a new genuine Land Rover mat in, and obviously put it in properly. But as you can see, the bulkhead, there's hardly any scratches or anything. You can just tell it hasn't been used for work. This one, it's absolutely gleaming. So a really nice example, and that's why we decided to spend some money on it and make it even nicer. So there we have it, guys. Hope you'll have a lovely Tuesday. Luckily the sun is shining today in Wiltshire. Hope it is with you. Head over to the website, grab your entries. Like you say, they're still at £11.99 at the moment, and then they will go up to £12.99, but it is getting drawn Monday regardless. So cheers.